Hey folks, I just wanted to give you a quick update. Thank you for all of the messages and support and people trying to help on my last The Shit Hit the Fan video about my Instagram and Facebook accounts being taken down. I've decided to take a bit more action. I'm still pursuing all the back channels I can to try and find someone who works at Meta to actually help with this, and if you have any contacts in that area, I would really appreciate it. But why wait around, right? So I had a little search around and found a new username, which I have registered and I've started posting there. It's Granger. If you remember the bootcamp video I did with Steph and Shravya back in the day, one of my favorites, that's one of the lines that I included.
What's your name, Private?
Matt Granger, sir.
Granger. Look at you. You're like a mobile B&H store. I'm gonna call you the Gear Ranger. Now drop and give me 20. 1!
If you stick around at the end of this video, I'm going to upload the whole bootcamp video again so you can see the whole thing there. Now, Gear Ranger, there's only one R in the middle. I couldn't get Gear Ranger with the double R. So I'm going to start posting there. If I get my other accounts back, then we'll figure out what to do. But from what I've seen, there's not really a great chance that that's going to happen. And I do want a way to be able to contact you guys. So as I said, I'm also on Blue Sky and Iris and X and a couple of other places. They're all listed in my link tree, but there's some of you who are mainly on Instagram, so I still want to be able to communicate with you guys. Like, I'm going to go to Lima and Buenos Aires at the end of the month, and I'm looking to meet up with local photographers there. Shout out if you are from those areas. Also, there's a $10,000 photography giveaway about to go live that I think you can actually register for now. I'll have details of that below. So I want to be able to share that kind of stuff with you guys. So if you're on Instagram, I would really appreciate it if you could help me try and boost my numbers back up. Dropping from like 98,000 or something to 0 overnight was a bit of a shock. Let me know any questions you have. I'll link to my original video below, and all of my different social medias and stuff that I'm actually using are in my link tree. Cheers guys, I'll see you soon.
You are here because your country needs more photographers. You think you've got what it takes? Do you?
Yes, sir.
We'll see about that, Cupcake. Where are you from?
Brooklyn, sir.
Brooklyn? Only hipsters and trust fund babies live in Brooklyn. And you don't look that hip to me. Where are you shooting with?
Hasselblad 503, sir.
Outstanding. You need guts. You need motivation. You need to hustle. Being a photographer is one of the toughest jobs there is. What's so funny, numbnuts? What's your name, Private?
Matt Granger, sir.
Granger. Look at you. You're like a mobile B&H store. I'm gonna call you the Gear Ranger. Now drop and give me 20. 1! 1! You mean to tell me you can't even do one push-up, Gear Ranger? How do you expect to carry that ridiculous amount of equipment for a 12-hour wedding shoot? Can't even do one push-up, you paunchy, pot-belly gear hoarder? Get up! 1! That's a start. I don't know, but I've been told Leica cameras are just for show. I don't know, but it's been said, no Nikon mirrorless before I'm dead. I don't know, but I've been told if you shoot film, you're probably old. Fancy camera you got there, Private. What's its name?
It doesn't have a name.
Every camera needs a name. Why are you here?
What?
Why do you want to be a photographer?
I want to take my camera into battle.
Oh, really? Show me your war face.
Huh?
Ah! That's a war face. Show me your war face.
Ah!
That was a trick question, you worthless button-clicking monkey. No one wants to see your stupid face. A working photographer's face should always be hidden by the camera. Now show me your real war face. Better.
First up, take that stupid thing out of your head. Now take a shot.
It won't fire.
Is there a battery?
It still won't take a picture.
This is a charger.
It's the eye of an artist with the skills in low light, rising up to the challenge of our clients. And the last known shooter finds his subjects at night, and he's watching us all with the eye freelancing, pounding the pavement. I'm hustling, I'm staying hungry. The pressure's on and I can take all the heat. I've got bills and the skills to expose. It's the eye of an artist with the skills in low light, rising up to the challenge of our clients. And the last known shooter finds his subjects at night, and he's watching us all with the eye of an artist.
Come on, Charlene.
Don't spray and pray, soldier.
Light goes down and I'm straight to F14. Got the shot and took the glory. Steady hand and I know my f-stop's just a man with a really so bad. It's the eye of an artist with the skills in low light, rising up to the challenge of our clients. And the last known shooter finds his subjects at night, and he's watching us all with the eye of an artist.